Hi everyone. For Kiro Birthday weekday 3, the challenge was to fix an existing broken project instead of building something new. I used Kiro Autopilot to investigate, diagnose, and repair a failing bug-fix task manager application. As you can see, the test_complete_task test is failing. The API returns a successful response, but the task is never actually marked as completed in the database. This is the broken behavior we'll fix. I ask Kiro to investigate the failing test, identify the root cause, and fix it without changing or removing any tests. Kiro analyzes the project structure, traces the request through the API routes, CRUD layer, and database session, and determines that the database transaction is never committed. Kiro automatically updates the affected code by adding the correct database commit and refresh logic while preserving the application's existing behavior. Using View All Changes, I can review every modification Kiro made before accepting them. Now let's run the test suite again. This project demonstrates how Kiro Autopilot can investigate a real bug, identify its root cause, implement a safe fix, and validate the result with passing tests. The full round-trip validation demonstrates that the put request persists the update and the subsequent get request returns completed is equal to true, verifying that the bug was resolved without affecting existing functionality. Thanks for watching. Great! All tests are passing. The task completion workflow now correctly updates the database, and no existing functionality has been broken.